Picture this. The band cuts the music, the cake is carried out, and everyone keeps talking. No one moves. No photographer gets the shot. One sentence later, the room leans in and the moment happens. Hello, and welcome to the Event Experience Podcast by 360 Entertainment.
Oh wow, that image. Been there. Today, we're breaking down the tiny lines that save those moments. What to say, when to say it, and how to keep it natural.
Quick setup. Whether you're a client prepping a family member to MC, a planner writing a run sheet, or a DJ looking for clean cues, the prompt is your best low-cost tool. It protects the timeline, helps vendors, and makes guests feel included.
And it doesn't have to sound scripted to be effective. We'll give you 1 to 3 line prompts, timing tips, and a little debate about how many contingency lines are actually useful. Spoiler, not too many.
Let's start with the anatomy. Short lead. Why brevity wins. 1 to 3 lines is the sweet spot. Say less, mean more.
Right. Tone matters next. A wedding MC is warm and slightly celebratory. A corporate host leans professional and upbeat. A school assembly host is direct and energetic. Match the voice to the room.
And always close with a tiny, specific call to action. Please gather by the dance floor. Raise your glasses now, or head to the north entrance for photos. Those last 6 words are the action.
Let me tell you about a wedding where a single line rescued the shot. The bridal party was scattered, the DJ started the cue, and nothing. Our MC stepped in and said, "Everyone, please move your chairs back 2 steps and gather around the floor. We're about to watch the first dance." Instant focus. Photographer captured the close-ups. The couple still texts us about that moment.
That's the power of framing. A better phrase makes people reposition physically and mentally. Okay, time for usable language. I'll throw a line, you tweak for tone. Everyone, please find a spot near the dance floor. We're about to share a very special moment as Emma and Marcus take their first dance.
Please, gather near the dance floor. Emma and Marcus will have their first dance in just a moment. Slight change, same pull. It gets people moving without sounding rehearsed.
Cake cutting. Grab your phones for a picture. Cake cutting is next. We'll invite you to your tables in 5 minutes for service. That sets expectations for photographers and the kitchen.
Corporate awards handoff. Please welcome our presenter, Jordan Smith. After remarks, we'll invite the winner to the stage for a quick photo. Clear, professional, and it cues the photographer.
Photo booth nudge. The photo booth is open. Grab a prop and a friend and use hashtag event name so we can share highlights later. It nudges action and helps with social sharing without sounding pushy.
Reunion icebreaker. On your table are 3 colored cards. Find the person with the matching color and swap a favorite memory. We'll invite a few tables to share in 5 minutes.
Let's pause. Small point of friction I want to raise now. I worry that over-preparing contingency lines turns MCs into robots. Too many scripted fallbacks can sound canned and kill spontaneity.
I get that, but a tiny set of fallback lines, 3 max, keeps the event moving when things go sideways. Not a playbook, just polite bridges. For example, if the band runs long, say, "We're taking a brief moment to reset. Please enjoy the lounge music, and we'll be back in 5.
Okay, 3 concise options make sense. It's the difference between a quick rescue and a block of canned text. Agree?
Agree. And those fallbacks should be rehearsed with the DJ and venue staff once. 1 quick read-through to make sure phrasing fits the room.
Here's a timing tip. Always give a 30-second marker for photo ops. Don't wait until the exact second. Say, in about 30 seconds, so photographers and guests can move without feeling rushed.
For school events, be extra explicit. Name the group. Students in grades 3 to 5, please come down to the gym now for your recognition photos. No ambiguity, fewer calls back and forth.
All right, time for a short checklist you can use when prepping a host or DJ. 1. Write the prompt in 1 to 3 lines. 2. Note exactly when it should happen and who signs off. 3. Pick the tone and finish with a clear call to action. 4. Supply one contingency line. 5. Rehearse once with the actual person speaking it.
One practical action for listeners. Pick the 3 moments in your event that absolutely need direction. Arrival, a major transition, and the close. And write a 3 to 5 line prompt for each. Then read them out loud with your DJ or MC once. That one rehearsal saves headaches on the day.
Quick recap, keep prompts short, match tone to the room, end with a specific action, give vendors a single short fallback, and rehearse. Do that and you'll protect shots, streamline the timeline, and get more guests involved.
If you want sample scripts or templated run sheets, we've put together examples on our site. 360 Entertainment uses similar templates to prep hosts and DJs so everyone sounds natural and confident.
Thanks for joining us. Visit www.360ntllc.com for sample prompts, templated run sheets, and to request a quote. And remember one last thing. Rehearse the lines once with the actual voice that will speak them. It changes everything. Let's create an experience worth remembering.